Today's hack is going to be on earring. What about it? Well, usually when we wear earrings, what happens is the back of our earlobe tends to start hurting, maybe because of the screw of the earring being too tight, or maybe there's a pinch by the earring, or there could be many other possible reasons that are related to this earring problem. Today I'm going to show you a very simple solution to solve this problem. So hang on. Like for instance this earring, I'll need a glue gun and I will just put thick drop like this on a metal place, and taking the back end or something flat like this, I will try to press on that glue gun area. Okay, so once I have done that, see, I'll just press it with the flat end again, and then I should get a flat surface like this. Now this will form the back of the earring in this way. So in case if I am going to be using this earring, my earlobe will be between this gap. So I'll just show it once again. Let me remove this piece. So say in case if I put this earring, I will put at the back end this round piece like this, and then to that I will add the earring screw or whatever you all have to lock the earring. There you go. The same you can do for different kind of earrings. Like children like wearing fancy earrings, most of them, and you can do a smaller version of that same circle thing that I made and put it at the back end of the earring like this. Okay, and once you're done, you can just put the screw of the earring backside. So in this way your earring will not get hurt or pinched at the back end of your earlobe. You all can use this for different kind of earrings. What say friends, wasn't that a good hack? Do let me know in the comment section how did y'all like this hack. And for those of y'all who are new out here, first time visitors, and y'all have not as yet clicked on the subscribe button, please do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon that you see besides it, so that y'all do not miss out on any updates that I post on my channel. Friends, if y'all have any hack suggestions, hack requests, do feel free to get in touch with me via the comment section or via email or on my social media sites. That's all on this episode. I'll see you next time with another new hack on How Hacks.